Nuhulia tangi ching no chuka saka afa Bia langsa goha nai di tansa angya dofa Lama rimi kasle tongo komor mani lama wote kisil sinai sabono kosi di jaya.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to be exploring Ambassa, which is one of the town here in Tripura, Northeast India. So basically I'm here in Tripura since last 2 weeks, and this is my last few days here in Tripura before returning back to Kerala. Through this video you can find the difference between Northeast Indian and South Indian market, as well as you can find the similarities between them. So stay tuned and watch till the end, and please leave a like if you like the video. So हम अभी जाके like we're going to buy some slippers I guess, and you'll see some of my negotiation abilities and skills. So let's go. Okay, hello bola.
Hello.
Friendly people here in my place. Actually it is my town and people are very friendly here. I know about that.
आज इतना भीड़ हुआ, बहुत भीड़. Aku hadim sir juta ase nahi.
Normal slippers ase?
Normal?
Normal nahi.
Okay.
तो इधर भी नहीं, और भी ढूंढना पड़ेगा. इधर मिलेगा पता नहीं.
We are not going to buy any slippers today guys.
तो ढूंढते हम लोग बहुत थक चुका है अभी.
हाँ वो तो है.
हाँ?
So we are going to go to the other part of the market. यहाँ पे
है. हाँ इधर तो है, थोड़ा पूछना पड़ेगा कितना है.
So we are going to buy this one. 7 number ना?
7 number.
So this is one of the official language of Tripura along with Kokborok. So I can speak both the language. I can speak Bangla as well, but my Bangla is little weak. আমি কিছু বাংলা বলতে পারি, and I can speak Hindi well. So I think I'm more comfortable in English rather than in Bangla. There is no network here, otherwise I could yeah. I think I'm confident, you know. I have not been talking to camera in public since so many days. Okay. এটা আমার চ্যানেল. Okay, thank you. Doi. So this is the road of Tripura. I mean, this is the road of my town, Ambassa. So basically we don't have zebra crossing here, and a dustbin is not empty, it's dirty as usual. I mean, I don't know why, but they're not keeping the city and town clean here. I mean, I feel really bad about this. So basically we just cross without any traffic lights. This is a big town, but there is no traffic lights here. I guess there was traffic lights out there, but no one is like following the zebra crossing and other traffic rules. So because of that, I think people are not using that. So basically people say that I speak very fast when I speak in English. So maaf kar dena, because this is how I show my confidence, because otherwise I'm not confident at all. But right now I think it's normal for me to talk to myself and to the camera, and people are staring at me like anything. यहाँ पे देखो, people are staring at me, but I'm not ashamed of anything, because this is what I do for a living. And वैसे मैंने ये नहीं बोला, कल से कल नोटिफिकेशन आया था कि कल I got my first YouTube income, and that's a pretty good thing and pretty good news for you guys, because you are the ones who supported me and who gave me this courage and strength to be vlogging in public. And because of that, right now I'm earning from my channel. So thank you guys for your support. So basically this is how the vendors look like here. So guys, it's a sunny day, sunny evening. So we decided that we'll go to some of the famous restaurants here. We can just say like, yeah, some restaurants, small restaurant, and वहाँ पे जाके कुछ पियेंगे ना. क्या पियेंगे? Pepsi, Sprite पियेंगे.
Sprite.
लेकिन this is not,
जो भी चीज मिलेगा ना भाई.
but this Sprite is not sponsored. I wish if like Sprite or someone sponsored me, लेकिन आजकल मुझे sponsorship नहीं मिल रहा है. I mean, I don't get any sponsorship right now. So I think the Sprite should sponsor me. I mean, in some of my videos, so that I can run my channel, because we need money to run the channel as well, right? না এটা GoPro camera. YouTuber জন্য ব্লগিং. এটা তো জিলেবি. This is jalebi, you know. This is Borinda, and এটা kita Murali. और इता Nimki. So these are the sweets here available in Tripura, and in almost everywhere in Tripura. And right now we are here in Ambassa. So right now we are going to be going to the meat market or the fish market.
यूट्यूबर तो आए ना पहले बार।
So this is the fermented fish. We call it shutli, right? By tadi kita call Bangla dia. Shutki. Sidol. So basically this is sidol. This is basically fermented fish, and we love eating here in Tripura. And this is a dry fish, and this is available in South India as well. So it's a common thing. Dhanyabad. So right now we are here in the meat market. So basically dry fish area, and is as usual. This is the meat market, and we love eating pork. I have been telling you guys that we from Tripura love eating pork, and I'm scared of stray dogs. Okay, so these are the meat market, and we get pork here, and this जाएंगे ना ये है this is the local chicken. Oh, that song, right? वो बहुत famous song है त्रिपुरा में. Can we go inside the fish market? Let's try. Let's ask. So basically, this is the fish market here in Tripura, in my place. Balon 27. 20 तारीख है वो. हाँ. So this is the meat market. This is the goat meat. I love eating this, but I'm not going to buy anything. I just came for vlogging to show you guys. दिखाने के लिए आया था. So this is how it looks. This is how the fish market. ये कौन सा मछली है? So these are the local markets. I mean local fish. I don't know their names. I'm sorry. मैंने जरा like I don't learn so many things right about my state. So I'm really sorry. But this is the market, fish market here in Ambassa, Tripura. So these are the fishing hooks. We can catch fish with this. जब बचपन में like when we were kids, right, we used to buy a lot of these things and fish in our pond and rivers. So it was an adventure. अभी कहाँ जाना है? This is an hotel. Hotel in the sense in South India, North India, hotel mean the place where we stay, right? Like for sleeping and everything, right? But hotel in Tripura basically means restaurants where we eat food. So there's a difference. This is the spice market here. We can find a lot of spice. I think it's just like in South India. So apples, watermelons, these are common things, and we find this everywhere in India. I just wanted to show some unique things that is special only. I mean, that is specially found only in Tripura. So yeah. So guys, we should have come in the morning. So basically guys, right now we're going to the vegetable market. But in vegetable market, people usually come during the morning because in the morning the products are fresh. But right now, I think there will be very few people here. So there's a lot of people around here, and I think many people are watching me. Interesting.
ट्रिप में ज़्यादा कोई कैमरा से कोई वीडियो शूट करेगा ना भाई
तो क्या होगा?
लोग भीड़ करके कोई देखते रहता है।
वो तो होगा ही ना, क्योंकि ब्लॉगर्स ही कम है त्रिपुरा में। तो बेसिकली मुझे लगता है लाइक त्रिपुरा में बहुत कम ब्लॉगर्स है और उनमें से मैं हूँ। तो it's going to be interesting
भाई, और भी सपोर्ट होना चाहिए भाई।
वो तो है, I mean होना चाहिए। आई जस्ट हैव 10,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स एंड उसमें कुछ नहीं होता। मुझे 100K बनाना है इस महीने के अंदर। एटलीस्ट आई कैन ट्राई, राइट
भाई। तो आप लोग के बिना कभी नहीं हो पाएगा।
वो तो है
आप लोगों के सपोर्ट होना चाहिए भाई।
तो बेसिकली दिस आर द वेजिटेबल्स फाउंड हियर एंड आई एम रियली टायर्ड टू मेक ब्लॉग राइट नाउ। फिर ही बनाएंगे, बाजार के एंड तक जाके ब्लॉग बनाएंगे बिकॉज दिस द लास्ट डे बिफोर द पूजा। आई मीन पूजा, या बिफोर द दुर्गा पूजा, राइट। आई फील कन्फ्यूज। कमलपुर to Gandasara. So Gandasara is a town which is around, कितना दूर होगा Gandasara यहाँ से? 50 किलोमीटर्स?
नो
तो
50 नहीं होगा, शायद 30 ऐसे होगा।
30 किलोमीटर्स होगा ना?
हाँ 30 या उससे भी ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है, ये नॉट श्योर।
ओके नहीं गाइस, एक्चुअली आई थॉट दैट अब से मुझे हिंदी से ब्लॉग बनाना है, लेकिन व्हेन आई एम अलोन ना, जब अकेला होता हूँ मैं हिंदी से ब्लॉग नहीं बना सकता। तो So basically this is the local market here. I'll show you some unique things found in this market because this is very unique. You'll find interesting local products produced in a tribal areas here. So basically this is the bamboo shoot and brinjal, and these are things which we find locally in the hills, in the hilly areas of Tripura. मुझे लगता है मुझे कोरोना हो गया शायद.
नहीं.
So basically these are vegetables. This is actually the flower of banana, and we love eating this. We make a dish called gudok with this, and it's really delicious. मैंने नहीं देखा है. I do not show it to you guys, but it is delicious. And this is some kind of wild vegetable. I don't know its English name as well as I forgot its Kokborok name. So basically this fruit is called jambur in my local language. It's some kind of citrus fruit, and that's elephant plants, I think root or something. यहाँ पे like pig market है ना?
शायद हाँ जी. शायद आज बारिश आया होगा शायद इधर.
नहीं हाँ वो तो होगा. हम लोग ले रहे हैं आज. So basically guys, this is the end of the market. There's auto stand there, and now we are going to be returning. So basically यहाँ पे है ये, I think it's white pumpkin, we call it kaklu, and some papaya, and we love eating that. I mean all the Bukung Baras, I mean the tribals here. I mean I'm one of the tribals, right? So basically this is the snails. Side tag abo. Kg with the side. So basically this is 6 rupees per kg. So bisa nih nong nabla. Side tag na. Jangan naik apa no penuman sih yang barang yang pernah biru tam penuman tak bisa. Pungo bang hana desa jengler kata faimani. So basically guys, this is called sikambuk in my language, so in Kokborok. So basically this is some water snail, and we get it in the rivers and in the basically in the rivers, in the jungles of Tripura. So so people here in Tripura believe that this animal, I mean I can call this animal, right? This food is useful for our health. I mean people consume this for good eyesight, and that's the reason why we love eating this, as well as it is the part of our cuisine, great Tripura cuisine. So guys, basically right now it's evening time. I think it's around time क्या हुआ है?
टाइम ना हुआ मेरे पास.
फोन नहीं है?
फोन लेकिन है घर में छोड़ के आया.
क्या भाई?
ये चार्ज नहीं था, चार्ज करके छोड़ के आया था घर में.
क्या बे?
तो टाइम देखिए.
So guys, right now it's 3 o'clock in the evening, and there is still a lot of people. I thought there won't be any people, but there is still people. So basically I am tired of vlogging right now because I have vlogged for around 40 minutes. So I think it's enough for the vlog. I think ज़्यादा हो गया. So basically I'll just choose the best part of the vlog, and then I will cut the video. I mean I'll cut the vlog in which the video is not interesting. Otherwise I'll keep most of the thing. So right now we're going to be going to some of the restaurants and drink something to refresh our mind and body, because right now we are tired and we have been sweating a lot. Finally I'm here in my home state, and I'm very happy. मुझे like बहुत खुशी महसूस हो रहा है अभी, क्योंकि like I mean 2 साल के बाद आया हूँ ना यहाँ पे. तो that is it guys. So see you in the next vlog.
कैसा लगा भाई आपको?
कमेंट पे बोल दे. तो कमेंट पे बोल दे. तो guys, let's end this vlog. We'll be starting another vlog after some times, but let's end this vlog and see you in the next vlog. Bye guys.